Since their appearance, cargo trucks have been characterized primarily as vehicles designed to transport all types of products. One of their greatest distinguishing features compared to other types of vehicles is their monocoque structure, which has been designed based on the need to maximize available space. However, today there are a couple of characteristics that tell us the future is already here in the world of logistics. In particular, the implementation of artificial intelligence technologies and autonomous driving has revolutionized the sector, offering new solutions and unprecedented efficiencies. Additionally, advances in sustainability are making a significant difference with the introduction of electric trucks and alternative energy vehicles that seek to reduce the carbon footprint and promote more ecological transportation. These developments not only improve efficiency and sustainability, but also open the door to new business models and economic opportunities in the global supply chain. Welcome. I invite you to stay with me until the end as we explore the emerging world of autonomous trucks and other advances that will surely leave you amazed. Get comfortable because our adventure is about to begin. Tesla Semi. You'll be surprised to know how long it takes this super heavy truck to reach 60 miles per hour. Just 20 seconds. It's not for nothing that it's considered the future of road transportation. It's presented as an option with greater power and efficiency compared to conventional trucks. Being fully electric, its 3 independent motors provide instant torque and unique power at any speed. With this, drivers can merge safely and keep up with traffic. Even on steep grades, it can maintain highway speeds with a full load. Its advanced engine controls combine with great safety features to provide traction and stability regardless of the scenario. Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025. At first glance, its futuristic appearance already announces that this is not just another simple truck. Its aesthetics are modern and sleek, intended to support its functionality. Its optimal aerodynamics combine with other details that make it one of the most attractive options for the near future. Its LED lighting system on the front replaces traditional headlights and turn signals and activates as soon as the truck is started. For autonomous driving, it's equipped with Highway Pilot, a system that stands out for allowing automated driving on highways and freeways. It's no longer necessary to keep your hands on the wheel, or at least not all the time, thanks to the radar installed in the lower front part of the truck. This miracle of truck engineering has the ability to analyze the road up to 250 meters ahead. Additionally, it's equipped with digital maps that allow it to have complete knowledge of its location, as well as a stereoscopic camera that generates 3D images during operation, allowing it to detect whether the highway has 1 or 2 lanes while identifying fixed objects, moving objects, and pedestrians. All this adorned with a modern cabin design where you can find everything necessary to travel comfortably while taking maximum advantage of the truck's performance. What's the bad news? As its name indicates, it's not available until 2025. Freightliner SuperTruck. Why SuperTruck? It may be due to its ability to travel up to 12.2 miles on a single gallon of diesel fuel. If you're looking for a truck you can benefit from due to its fuel consumption savings, pay close attention to its details. Not only has it been cataloged as a technological innovation that can demonstrate how efficient freight transportation can be, it also stands out for its aerodynamics, engine, powertrain integration, parasitic losses, lightweighting, energy management, waste heat recovery, and more. With the U.S. Department of Energy challenging truck manufacturers to push high-range experimental technologies, Freightliner stepped forward with a proposal at least 50% more efficient for freight transportation. Details like the angle of its windshield contribute to improved air circulation toward the hood, or the aerodynamic design of its mirrors. There won't be any strong wind that can create resistance, Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience. Did you notice on your most recent visit to Walmart if there were any advanced trucks left? I'm not kidding with you. Walmart is developing an alternative fuel truck project that dates back to 2014. Its proposal stands out for having first-class aerodynamics and a hybrid powertrain with a range extension series powered by turbines, electrified auxiliary components, and a control system that enjoys world-class technology. Today, Walmart's trucks represent the largest private fleet in the United States. Each year, they register millions of miles. Their success led them to focus on the need to deliver more merchandise while driving less. And boy, did they achieve it. Just look at this beast. Iveco Z Truck. Following the line of the future, the Iveco Z Truck is a truck expected to join the club of zero emissions and autonomous driving. Thanks to the use of liquefied natural gas fuel and the use of biomethane, it's expected not to generate waste that pollutes the atmosphere. Its waste heat recovery system will make it capable of traveling up to 2,200 kilometers in long-distance transportation, generating practically zero emissions. Its fuel savings are supported by Michelin X-Line energy tires, the first range to receive the AAA classification in rolling resistance. The rest speaks for itself. T-Log. The future is already here and has been brought by T-Log. Not only is it an autonomous truck, it doesn't even have a cabin. Its design consists of its wheels and platforms for mounting cargo. Built by the Swedish company Einride, they bet on this fully electric solution that doesn't need a driver. Additionally, it's equipped with all-terrain capabilities. Its design started from a specific purpose: to transport up to 16 tons of gigantic tree logs. It's precisely its lack of a cabin that allows for greater cargo capacity and greater efficiency of the vehicle's engine, which is completely electric. Cargo speed. Cargo speed sells itself as the true means for safe transportation. Its design is based on the need to make fast, sustainable, and efficient deliveries. For this reason, it has been built to travel at speeds of up to 1,000 kilometers per hour. It's expected to be a solution in the urgent, high-priority cargo sector, such as fresh food, medical supplies, electronics, and more. What a truck can do in a day, cargo speed promises to do in just hours through its rails. And no, it's not a train, it's still a truck. If you've made it this far, I thank you. Did you like this compilation of trucks of the future? Soon. Remember that there's no better way to support my content than leaving your like on the video. Which of these innovations has surprised you the most? Do you bet on autonomous trucks? Or do you believe in the real need to always have someone behind the wheel? Let me know what you think in the comment box. Until the next adventure.